Rationalize the denominator for negative 2 over the cubed root of 4. In order to rationalize the denominator, we wish to multiply this expression by something that's going to eliminate this radical sign in the denominator. So let's multiply both the numerator and denominator by the same value, the cubed root of 2. Multiplying by the cubed root of 2 in the denominator is going to give the cubed root of 8, which is a perfect cubed value. Let's go ahead and perform this multiplication. In the numerator, we'll get a negative 2 times the cubed root of 2. In the denominator, that's the cubed root of 8, which at the next step, we'll write as the number 2. The cubed root of 8 is 2. One more step here, let's reduce this, write it in lowest terms by canceling our common factor of 2. Notice we're canceling the 2 outside of the radical sign. This leaves a negative cubed root of 2.